Hi guys! Welcome sa Hugot Sipnayan. At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga lesson. For today's lesson, we're going to have graphing line using slope-intercept form. Tara, alamin natin ito mga hugot, ka-real life, kung paano mag-graph ng line. So our objective for today, so under the MELC natin, is to graph linear equation given the following condition. So our first condition is about slope-intercept form. So basically, we're going to start with defining the linear equation. So example of linear equation in two variables are the following. We have the standard form and the general form. We have ax plus by plus c equals to 0 as our standard form, and we have the general form which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, which is our general form. So, napansin nyo sa ating screen, yan po yung mga example niya. Now, meron pa tayong isang form tinatawag natin. Ito yung slope-intercept form. Kung updated ka sa mga previous video, na-discuss ko sa inyo na yung slope-intercept form ay ginagamit natin kapag tayo ay nagka-graph. So, meron siyang form na y equals to mx plus b. Na kung saan, guys, dito, ang m natin ang slope, tapos yung b natin yung y-intercept. Ano nga ba yung slope at saka yung y-intercept? According dito, ang slope natin ay measure ng stiffness ng line kung gaano katarik ang isang line, at yung y-intercept ay yung point kung saan nag-intersect ang line sa ating y-axis. Let's have some example kung paano ba to. So, ang slope-intercept form ay ginagamit natin for graphing purpose. Example ng ating slope-intercept form ay natin nasa screen. We have y equals to 2x plus 4. Yung 2 yung tinatawag nating slope. At yung 4 ang tinatawag nating y-intercept. So we're going to graph 2x plus 3y equals to negative 6 using slope-intercept form. So first step natin is to rewrite. So we're going to have 2x plus 3y equals to negative 6 na nasa standard form. Anong gagawin natin? We're going to rewrite them. Rewrite them into slope-intercept form. Kung hindi ka familiar kung paano mag-rewrite, you may find some video dito sa aking channel kung paano mag-rewrite ng standard form into slope-intercept form. Now, rewriting that item, guys, magkakaroon tayo ng y equals to negative 2 all over 3x minus 2. Now, we will already have the slope-intercept form. So, identify natin, ang slope natin ay negative 2 over 3 at ang ating y-intercept which is negative 2. Sa ordered pair niya, guys, yun ay 0, negative 2. Now, yung dalawang item natin, yung slope at saka yung y-intercept natin, yun ang magiging essential para tayo ay mag-graph. Let us proceed sa pag-graph natin. So, we already have Cartesian plane. Let's have the equation y equals to negative 2 all over 3x minus 2. We have the slope which is negative 2 over 3 and a y-intercept of negative 2. So, tandaan natin, guys, na ang slope ay rise over run. So, we have negative 2 over 3. So, try natin ngayon i-graph to. Kung i-graph natin siya, we will start with the first point which is the y-intercept. So, hanapin natin yung 0, negative 2 at ipa-plot natin siya sa ating Cartesian plane. So, yun po yung point nating 0, negative 2. So, tandaan nyo, it always lie on the y-axis. Now, we're going to have the step number 2. The step number 2 tells us na mula doon sa ating y-intercept, gagamitin natin ang slope with the concept of rise over run para tayo ay mag-graph ng second point natin. Tandaan nyo, sabi sa definition ng line, it denotes a two-point to make a line. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin mag-connect ng dalawang point para magkameron tayo ng line. So, in order for us to make the second point, ipa-follow natin ang rule na to. So, basahin natin. The value of the slope, if the value of the slope is positive, then we move upward. Base sa number ng ating rise, based on the number of our rise. Di ba tandaan nyo, pag nag-graph tayo, nagsisimula tayo sa rise muna bago run. So, kapag naman negative siya, we're going to move downward. If the value of the slope is negative, we move downward based on the number of units in its rise. Rise. So, after yun guys, i-graph natin ang rise natin, we're going to move with the run. For the run, always move to the right. Try natin i-graph ang ating example. So, from 0, negative 2, we're going to move downward 2 units. Bakit po? Because ang slope natin sa rise natin ay negative 2. So, eto po yun. Now, we will continue with the run. We always move to the right. Lagi pong to the right. Okay? So, move tayo. 2 units downward for the rise. 2 units to the right. So, lagi po tayo pupunta sa tama. Huwag sa mali. Di ba? Okay. Ngayon, nag-move tayo ng 3 units to the right because of the run natin. Now, we already have the next point. Ngayon, i-connect natin. At yan po yung graph ng ating equation. Okay? So, tandaan po, you need to follow the right step for you to graph that item. Okay? Let's have our next example. If we're going to do our next example, let's have y equals to 3 all over 4x plus 2. Isipin na natin guys na nakapag-rewrite na tayo from slope-intercept form. So, kahit tayo standard form, nag-rewrite tayo into slope-intercept form. Now, we will follow the same step. We will start with determining the slope. The slope is 3/4. So, preferably, ang rise natin ay 3. So, ang run natin ay 4. Try natin ang first point natin, which is 0, 2. Since ang value ng ating y-intercept ay 2, we will start with the first point, which is 0, 2. Tandaan nyo, alamin kung paano mag-graph ng points. Dapat di ka magkakamali dito. Okay? Now, we're going to have the second point using our slope. We will count 3 units upward because 3 is positive. So, yun yung rule natin. Since positive tayo, 3 units upward. Okay? So, tandaan nyo, pag positive, upward. Kapag negative, downward. Ang run natin lagi ay to the right. So, 3 units upward, since positive ang 3 natin. 4 units to the right. We move the second point. Now, we construct the line. Okay po? So, those are the key concept kung paano tayong mag-graph ng line kapag ginamit na natin ang slope-intercept form. Let's have other example. No? Isa pa. So, y equals to 2 over 3x. So, pansinin nyo, wala tayong value for y-intercept. Kapag walang value for y-intercept, automatic, ang ating y-intercept ay ang origin, which is 0, 0. So, napansin nyo, rise natin is 2, ang run natin ay 3. So, parehas positive. So, we're going to move upward at to the right. So, let's have our first point, which is the origin. Now, we will continue with our next point. So, 2 unit pataas. Hop! 2 units pataas. Tapos, 3 unit to the right. So, that will be our second point and may graph na tayo. So, tandaan nyo guys, laging titingnan yung sign ng ating mga given para hindi tayo magkamali. Tandaan pag run, laging to the right, para sa tama. Di ba? Huwag tayo dito to the left kasi yung man left, nangiiwan niya yung man left. Di ba? Lagi sa tama. Now, So, ito po yung rule natin. First step natin when we're trying to graph using slope-intercept form, we write the linear equation into slope-intercept form to determine the slope in the y-intercept. Kapag nag-graph naman tayo, i-plot yung first point natin using the y-intercept. At ang second point natin, gagamit tayo ng slope. Tandaan, we'll start with the y-intercept and do it for the second line using our slope. Tandaan po mabuti. Now, pag ginamit natin yung slope natin, kapag positive, we move upward. Kapag negative, we move downward. At lagi po sa run natin, we always move to the right. Okay po? So, in order for you to determine whether you really understand our topic for today, so I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Try nyo pong sagutan yung ating nasa screen. Okay? Good luck po and God bless. So time's up guys. Tingin ko, naiintindihan yung ating topic. So ito po yung magiging sagot natin. So check whether you have the same graph or not based on our given equation. So guys, I hope you learned something from our discussion. So salamat po. Thanks for viewing my page. And ingat po guys and God bless. So do not forget to follow my personal page. Lagi po yan. Lagi ko pinagdadasal sa inyo. Sana po. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my page. Ingat po. God bless. See you mga Hugot, Career Life. Ingat po. Ingat palagi po. And see you on the next video. Have a nice day.